When guns are drawn and justice faces life or death decisions, from a dramatic chase in a Moreno Valley apartment complex to a Milwaukee night where gunfire erupts at a gas station, or a standoff with an armed gang member with a prior conviction for armed robbery that ends in a shocking barrage of bullets. Can the police take down these dangerous criminals before tragedy strikes? Join American Copwatch as we explore today's video. Around 1:20 p.m., the Dallas Police Department's crime response team received a notification about a stolen truck through the Automatic License Plate Recognition (ALPR) system, a powerful legal tool for crime prevention. They located the truck at 9600 Gulf Lakes Trail. Upon discovering the stolen red GMC truck in an apartment complex parking lot, police called for backup from uniformed colleagues. Under the law, theft and the use of stolen vehicles to flee are serious crimes that can lead to charges of auto theft and resisting arrest. At the scene, when surrounded by police, driver Damon Price, 21, deliberately rammed into police vehicles, an act that could be prosecuted under laws related to assault with a deadly weapon. The truck eventually stopped and the four suspects inside attempted to flee. Among them, 17-year-old Eric Lampkin Scarborough, armed with a modified handgun, was in violation of serious firearm possession and modification regulations.
Don't you fucking move! He's behind the fences. Or he's behind the building near the fence corner. You fucking flinch, I'll put a hole in you, motherfuckers!
Seeing the danger, Officer Travis Marks fired and struck the suspect. According to the law, officers have the right to use deadly force in situations where there is a serious threat to life. Lampkin Scarborough continued to flee, but was later apprehended and taken to the hospital in stable condition.
What is your name? Eric what?
Price and Jayuntae Moore, 19, also arrested at the scene, while another suspect of unknown identity escaped. 4 guns were recovered at the scene, an important factor in the prosecution of related firearm offenses. Moore faces charges of murder, while Price and Lampkin Scarborough face various charges from auto theft to illegal firearm possession. But the excitement doesn't end here. Let's move on to a story about a man who defied death, a holdup in a gas station.
Show me your hands right now! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Put your hands off now!
Milwaukee police were called at 4300 W, Capitol Drive, after reports of a shooting. By law, reports of gun use trigger a swift response from law enforcement. At the scene, they found a suspect related to the double shooting hiding in a gas station. When police approached and ordered the suspect to surrender, he did not comply, drawing his gun and shooting at the police and those inside the store. Under the law, this action could lead to charges of attempted murder and assaulting an officer.
Show me your hands right now! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Put your hands off now! Hey! No! Why you all setting me up?
Police returned fire, and the suspect continued to flee, shooting more rounds at them.
Come on, bitch!
Eventually, police shot and apprehended the suspect, Jayuntae Gregory, 22, after using force to subdue him.
Hey, step on! Drop the fucking gun! He's still moving! Drop the gun! He's laying down on the walkway! Don't move! Don't move! Stay there! Bandit, stay there! Bandit, cover, now!
Police, do not move!
Bandit, back up!
Keep your hands up! Don't fucking move! Keep your hands up!
I'm shot. I'm shot. I'm dead. My stomach shot.
Hey, get him over, get him over!
I'm
get him
bleeding
over.
in my shot.
Hey,
He shot me in my stomach. Stop bleeding.
stop!
He shot me in my stomach. He shot me in my stomach.
Stop! Back up! Get him in close, see, back up! Get him cuffed!
Gregory was taken to the hospital with non-life-threatening injuries, and his gun was recovered at the scene.
Medical for the officers and for the suspect.
Hey, show me your hands! Show me your hands right now! Show me your hands right now!
Gregory is facing charges related to the double shooting that occurred on July 16th, including charges from assault with a deadly weapon to using a firearm in public.
Let me see your hands! Put your hands up now! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! He's still moving! Drop the gun! He's laying down on the walkway! Don't move! Don't move!
The officers involved in the shooting have been temporarily reassigned to administrative duties. According to regulations, police-involved shootings.
Police, do not move!
Bandit, back up!
Keep your hands up! Don't fucking move! Keep your hands up!
I'm shot. I'm dead. My stomach shot.
Hey, get him over, get him over!
I'm bleeding in my shot.
Hey,
He shot me in my stomach. Stop bleeding.
stop!
He shot me in my stomach. He shot me in my stomach.
Stop! Back up! Get him in close, see, back up! Get him cuffed!
And are you intrigued by the police confrontation with a gang member? Riverside, California, police conducted a search along the 6600 block of Palm Drive for a vehicle stolen earlier that day, a serious theft offense under the law. Upon locating the vehicle, police attempted to stop it, but the driver, Eddie Madrigal, 42, did not comply and drove into an apartment complex. There, Eddie quickly exited the vehicle carrying a gun, an obvious violation of firearm possession regulations for a person with a prior conviction.
Hey, stop! Hey, gotta go!
An officer fired 4 shots, hitting Eddie once in the back. Eddie was injured and taken to the hospital, currently in custody and awaiting transfer to jail. Eddie Madrigal, a gang member with a previous armed robbery conviction from 2016, was recently released from prison in September 2023. Since his release, Eddie has repeatedly violated probation, which could lead to more severe charges. Eddie is now charged with auto theft, illegal possession of a firearm, drug possession, and probation violations, with a bail amount set at $1 million. These events show that technology like the LPR system is a crucial tool in crime prevention, helping police track and apprehend criminals more effectively. Police have the right to use force in life-threatening situations, but must adhere to legal regulation. Handling armed criminals requires vigilance and high situational skills. Legal violations, especially involving firearms and armed robbery, can lead to severe penalties. Lastly, police shootings must be thoroughly investigated to ensure transparency and fairness. Thank you for watching American Cop Watch. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to not miss the latest videos on American law enforcement and legal matters. Leave your comments below and share the video if you found it useful. See you in the next video.